the skies, whispers of dreams where freedom flies. Clouds collide like hearts in motion, a dance of light, a boundless ocean. So high and break the endless blue. The world below fades out of you, a melody of wings, a symphony. The skies embrace, it sets us free. Mountains bow to greet the sun. The journey starts, it's just begun. Shadows chase but can't contain the fire inside. It fuels the flame. So high and break the endless blue. The world below fades out of you, a melody of wings, a symphony. The skies embrace, it sets us free. Every gust, a tale untold. Every star, a dream to hold. Through the tempest, rise.